For number 3, in the standard xy coordinate plane, for what values of x will the graph of f of x equals the absolute value of x and g of x equal the absolute value of x intersect? So the intersection piece is key. This is kind of tricky, but it's actually a simple concept of this function f of x is equal to absolute value x and g of x absolute value of x. So guess what? They're identical. So they're going to intersect at all real numbers of x. Because I've put a coordinate plane on here and I've put a little chart, and so we can make a table out of this. And if I make a negative 1x, well, the absolute value of that is 1. And if I have 0, absolute value is 0. If I have a regular 1, well, the absolute value is 1. If I have a regular 2, the absolute value of that is 2. And I did that with f of x, but if I did a g of x, it would be the exact same. So we could even chart this. So let's go to negative 1 right here. So at negative 1, what is our actual dot? Well, it would be 1. So there's 1 right there. And at 0, it's 0. At 1, here we go. And it would actually do a thing that looks like this. It's going to look like, a triangle here. Should make a shape like that. Okay, and let's say I want to do g of x in green. Well, it would be the exact same thing. So let's go green. Here's g of x, same exact thing. Same exact thing. It would intersect at all real numbers x. The answer is E.